since Americans in the South began publicly roasting pigs at parties and get-togethers. Barbecues have been a common item in the lives of North Americans. And also, it has become a common item too in Africa, Nigeria, my country. For most of the population, using a grill is an essential part of cooking. And for the hardcore barbecuers, once the summer comes in, it's barbecues all the way. Every barbecue is always a good fun family event and other gatherings. In this video we will be talking about the 5 ways to make your routine evening barbecue a more unique experience. 1. Who said you have to only barbecue meat? There is quite a lot that can be done with bread or fruit and veg over a naked grill. One way to make barbecues and grilling more fun for the whole family is to use pastry cutters for whatever it is you are grilling. It is up to you or your kids what design and type of food you use. 2. Try some of those foil-packed recipes which cook in less than 20 minutes. Which are very handy and clean, and kids will also love the surprise element. Combos can be great fun as you can mix it up any way you want. And it makes a great game for the kids, mixing different items of bread, fruit, and veg. 3. They say variety is the spice of life, so if you only ever cook the same old sausages and steaks, why not try something different like a nice bit of cod or a juicy bit of venison? Similarly, try to mix it up with condiments and seasoning. 4. Barbecue should not be rushed, they are supposed to be fun. Many of the die-hard barbecue fans out there will state that broiling is an insult to the barbecuing criteria. Barbecue should represent a process of slow cooking on low to high heat. And while you wait for the food to grill, it's a great opportunity to have a good laugh with whoever is in your party, be it friends and family. 5. When we were all small children, our moms told us never to play with food. Well, there is an exception to every rule, isn't there? Barbecue games are a great way to have really good fun while cooking. In the game Glutton, every player gets either mashed potatoes, turnip, or mac cheese. Then they must pick at random a utensil from the kitchen and eat, and the first person to eat all of their dish wins. This is all fun. Enjoy your barbecue. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. And also leave a comment below that you have subscribed to this channel. Thanks for watching.